Hello there, welcome to another episode of Plain Tech where we'll be unboxing the Redragon mechanical gaming keyboard. So guys, I needed a keyboard that would definitely work well with my full setup, which includes my Dell XPS laptop, my PS4, my weird looking left-handed vertical mouse, and my Bluetooth speaker. One that was very strong, durable, and most importantly very affordable. And then again I came across this Redragon Kumara keyboard. I checked the qualities and I thought it would work well. Okay, before we get to open it, you should definitely check out the features on it. Obviously, it's a customizable mechanical keyboard, switch keyboard, meaning that this is a keyboard that I can actively remove the keys on it and put in another key, maybe a different color, a different texture if I want to. It boasts of full keys without conflict, 12 multimedia keys, a gold-plated USB, and a Windows dedicated key for lock, high-speed control, and high response rate. And at the back here, it says high precision machinery manufacture, double injection keycaps, full keys, conflict free, like I said earlier. It's spill proof, and the Windows dedicated key for disabling when gaming, and definitely a bunch of other languages that I know nothing of. So why don't we get right in? The first thing I do is obviously to unleash the seal. Once that has been done, okay, yes, are you guys ready? Okay, so here we have the keyboard. Let's keep the keyboard aside first. Oh, I think these are some manuals. Some paperwork. So we can keep this aside. I think we have nothing else here. Okay, this is to pick out the keys, to switch the keys anytime. With another key, I told you this is a switchable keyboard, so we got this. Thank you for your recent purchase. We appreciate your business and hope you had a great experience. Well, we'll see if we have a great experience. And obviously the manual. I don't think you guys care about this, right? Okay, let's put it aside. So the manual, you can keep this aside. So the keyboard, remove the bubble wrap. Wow. Are you guys hearing this? This is better than I expected. The arrow. And before you forget, remember this is the single color version. So I'm single color red light version, and the USB gold plated, like you said. All right, so let me get to plug this in and then we'll see how it looks like. Okay guys, the keyboard is finally plugged into my system, and from what I've seen, it's actually quite bright, and I can control an effect called the breathing on it. You can see it goes off, comes back on. I can also reduce how bright it is. Okay, I think let me even switch the lights off for me so you guys can see how bright this is. Obviously this is how bright it is. If I even still reduce and I come back up, so yeah, I actually think this keyboard is actually worth it. It cost me about $30 without shipping, which is estimated 10,000 naira, and with shipping you have to pay an average of 6,000 to 7,000 naira. So in total, to ship to Lagos, Nigeria, this keyboard will cost you around 17,000 naira. It's about almost 14 inches, almost around 14 inches in length, and by the width, almost 5 inches. So like I said, I'll put the link to this keyboard down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, also click the notification bell to be notified when a new video pops up. And if you have any tech related problems, let me know in the comments below so I can definitely try to do a video on it. Thank you.